Today we are making the most indulgent hot chocolate I have ever had, and it requires no powdered milk. To start, let's get out a medium saucepan to which we're going to add 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of white sugar, a pinch of salt. Whisk that all together. Here you have the option to add 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Next, add 1/4 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and 1/2 cup of hot water. I just used hot water from my tap. It does not need to be boiling. You're supposed to add the hot water, stir everything together, and then add the chocolate chips, but if you get the order wrong, it will still turn out just fine. Turn your heat on to medium, and we are going to stir until the chocolate chips are melted. Once they are melted, we're going to add 2.5 cups of whole milk. For this recipe, I think the quality of your cocoa powder and your chocolate will make a big difference, along with using whole milk. And 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk everything together and continue to whisk until it is hot, but not boiling. Now this may take a little bit of time. You may be tempted to turn the heat up. I'm going to tell you right now, don't do that. The last thing we want is our milk to burn or start to stick to the bottom of our saucepan. Once your hot chocolate is hot, it's time to serve it. This recipe says that it serves 2. I think it serves 4, but I guess that just depends how much hot chocolate you want. Today I am serving mine with some homemade whipped cream, or go ahead and serve it with marshmallows, chocolate shavings, sprinkles, whatever you desire. I'll leave all of the ingredients and the instructions down below for you guys. Hit that like button if you guys would try this hot chocolate recipe. Be sure to subscribe for more delicious recipes, and if you want that recipe for homemade whipped cream, click or tap here on screen, and I'll see you guys there.